back here. I got kicked from Arrow, so did Aeropath, because they needed more space, they said. But it's fine, I guess. But you have to deal with it. Also, it's raining so hard outside. Look, take a look at this, guys. Wait, why did it stop? Okay, it stopped, but it was pouring so hard out there. I don't know what today's vlog is gonna be because I can't go outside. I was gonna do that. I was gonna go play basketball this morning, but yeah. I'm probably just gonna go use the drone and stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna feed them because they haven't eaten in a while. That doesn't work. Open sesame. I'm gonna go take this upstairs, and I'll get back to you guys later in the day. Alright guys, it's been a little while. I've just been sitting here watching YouTube, and I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of this vlog. I might end it now, but I might not. I might add a little random some clips, but if not, I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.